Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for November. This month's theme is the glammest show on earth. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag design features an ultra soft velvet pink material and wristlet strap. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Sutra Beauty Heat Guard Leave-In Cream, Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, Beauty for Real Concealer Brush, Sonage Hydrating Mist, and the Estate Cosmetics Most Wanted Lip Balm. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Body Cream, La Palette Beauty Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner, L'Occitane Light Comforting Cream, Alamar Destino Eyeshadow Palette, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and using the La Palette Beauty Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. I love how the packaging is clear so you can see all of the beautiful petals inside. It obviously has a bit of a floral scent, but the hydrogel petal capsules are really neat and instantly melt into the skin to offer intense hydration. Next, I'm trying out the L'Occitane Light Comforting Cream. This is a non-comedogenic, lightweight moisturizer. It's so moisturizing and literally just what my skin needed because it's been so dry lately. After that, we're applying the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is actually my favorite brow gel. It stays in place all day. Now let's take a look at the Alamar Destino Eyeshadow Palette. The palette features 10 shades for $35. The packaging is really unique. Here are some swatches. First, I'm picking up the black shade called Las Lomas. I'm applying this to the inner and outer parts of the eye. Next, I'm grabbing the light brown shade called Timba. I'm using this to blend out what I just applied. Now I'm dipping into the shimmery blue shade called Ohala. I'm applying this to the center of my lid. Next, I'm trying the Beauty for Real Concealer Brush. This retails for $21. I usually use a sponge to blend out my concealer, but this brush is actually working really well. It gets in the inner corner very easily, and I can be super precise around my eyeshadow as well. Now let's test out the Sonage Hydrating Mist. This is supposed to leave the skin feeling refreshed and looking dewy. It's a nice travel size too. Finally, I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick. This is in the shade Taupe Beige. Here's a quick swatch. It has a really nice sheen to it. Here's the finished look using products from both the November Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.